Hey everybody, it's that time of year again. It's getting pretty dry outside, and if you've been getting bloody noses or a sore throat, you might want to change your humidifier filter. Wait till you hear the click. That means it turns on and off. You can check if your water's running before you do this, because if your water's not running, it might be another problem. But this is the filter. Make sure you get the one that fits your unit. I ended up getting one that's a little shorter, but it still works. I'll just get the right one next time. Go ahead and clip that off. Should be on some clips. I pried mine off with a screwdriver. Save yourself on your Home Energy Plus. Your handyman will come over, charge you $150. This filter was probably $15. They suggest you do it twice a year, and then you can see how crusty it gets. Your old one, I can squish it with my fingers. It just crumbled apart, this old one, and it's from last year, but I don't run my humidifier through the summer. So wash out your old one, or it slides into anyway, not your actual filter. You're going to throw that away. Once you get all the crusties off of there, should slide the new one right in. Cap goes on. Attach your water hose back onto it. This is really easy, and you shouldn't have to be paying someone $50, $100 to do this for you. This is a 2-minute video, a little bit less, and it probably maybe took me 5 minutes to do this. And then you just put the cover back on. And I have tips and tricks like this for all the home maintenance you can possibly do at your house. So make sure to like, subscribe, follow me. You'll get all the tips, save you all the money. Inflation's going crazy. Everybody can save $1. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.